How to reset ego battery. If your ego battery won't charge, shows flashing red or green lights, or appears completely dead, it's usually because the battery management system went into protection mode after overheating, deep discharge, or long storage. You might see the charger blinking, no lights at all, or the battery refusing to power your tool. Don't worry, I'll explain what those light codes mean and show you proven ways to reset and wake up the battery, and in many cases, just one method brings it back to life. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Check the light codes first. Press the battery's fuel gauge button. Solid green means the battery is healthy. Flashing red usually means over temperature or protection mode. No light often means the BMS is asleep due to deep discharge. This helps you choose the right fix below. Method 2. Let the battery cool or warm up. If the battery was just used or left in a hot area, let it rest for 30 to 60 minutes. If it was stored in cold conditions, bring it to room temperature. Temperature-related shutdowns are one of the most common causes of flashing red lights. Method 3. Wake up the BMS using the charger. Insert the battery into the ego charger. Leave it connected for 10 to 15 minutes, even if it doesn't start charging right away. Sometimes the charger slowly wakes the BMS before normal charging begins. Method 4. Reinsert and reseat the battery. Remove the battery from the charger. Reinsert it firmly until it clicks. Watch the charger light to see if it switches from blinking to solid. A poor connection can stop the charger from recognizing the battery. Method 5. Try a different charger or outlet. Plug the charger into a different wall outlet. If possible, test with another ego-compatible charger. This helps rule out a faulty charger instead of a bad battery. Method 6. Deep reset. Last option. Remove the battery from all tools and chargers. Leave it unused for 12 to 24 hours. After that, reconnect it to the charger and check the lights again. Use this only if the other methods fail. Important notes. 1. Never open an ego battery. It's dangerous. 2. Always use an official ego charger. 3. If the battery keeps flashing red after all resets, it may be permanently damaged. And that's it. Your ego battery should now be reset, charging properly, and ready to power your tools again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tool and battery fixes.